By December 2025, AI generated 73% of new code at Google. Facebook's AI systems now debug faster than their senior engineers. And GitHub's latest data shows junior developer job postings dropped 42% since January. If you think your programming job is safe because you write creative code, you're about to get blindsided. Most developers are preparing for the wrong AI future. Right now, developers are learning prompt engineering thinking it'll save their careers. They're wrong. AI isn't just getting better at following instructions. It's getting better at understanding problems. GPT-5 already writes production-ready React apps from a single sentence. Claude can refactor legacy codebases without breaking dependencies. But here's the thing nobody talks about. The real threat isn't AI writing code. It's AI understanding business requirements better than you do. Traditional developers translate business needs into technical solutions. They're the middleman. But AI now reads financial reports, analyzes user behavior, and designs database schemas in one pass. Why hire someone to translate when the machine speaks both languages fluently? Companies already see this. Shopify reduced their development team by 30% last year. Netflix automated 67% of their back-end maintenance. Stripe's AI handles more pull request reviews than human engineers. What nobody tells you is these aren't just efficiency gains. They're job eliminations disguised as productivity improvements. The developers surviving this aren't the ones with 20 years of Java experience. They're not the algorithm masters or system design experts. The survivors understand something different. AI amplifies leverage, but someone still needs to point it in the right direction. Here's the pattern emerging across Silicon Valley. Companies need fewer people who write code. They need more people who architect solutions. The role is shifting from code monkey to digital conductor. You don't write the symphony anymore. You conduct it, but most developers are stuck in the old mindset. They're optimizing for skills that AI already mastered. Clean code. AI writes cleaner code than you. Testing. AI generates more comprehensive test suites. Documentation. AI documents code as it writes it. You're competing on AI's strongest skills. The developers thriving in 2026 focus on three things AI still struggles with: context switching between business domains, political navigation within organizations, and creative problem decomposition that requires deep human intuition. Take Sarah Chen at Airbnb. She doesn't write Python anymore. She designs system architectures, manages stakeholder expectations, and breaks down complex business problems into AI-digestible chunks. Her output increased 400% since 2024. Her salary doubled. Meanwhile, developers clinging to pure coding skills are becoming commoditized. When AI can write, test, and deploy code faster than you can type, your technical skills become worthless. What nobody tells you is that the market is already pricing this in. Companies pay premiums for strategic thinkers who happen to understand code. They pay minimum wage for people who just happen to write code. The data backs this up. Senior developer salaries that require business acumen rose 18% last year. Pure coding roles dropped 23%. The gap is widening every quarter. Here's what's really happening. We're witnessing the end of programming as a craft and the birth of programming as a management discipline. You don't need to know how every algorithm works. You need to know which problems are worth solving. But here's the insight that changes everything. AI isn't replacing programmers. It's revealing that most people calling themselves programmers were never actually programming. They were just translating specifications into syntax. Real programming was always about problem solving, system thinking, and bridging the gap between human needs and machine capabilities. The developers panicking right now. They were never really programmers. They were human compilers, and compilers just got automated. If this video changed how you think about your programming career, Smash that subscribe button because we're tracking exactly how AI reshapes tech jobs every single week. Drop a comment below. Are you adapting your skills or hoping AI development slows down? I read every response.